We are here at the boat right now. Here it is behind me. Look at this thing. It's a beauty. Here we go. I'm here with the kids. There they are. They're getting ready to get Scout's first view of the boat inside. There it is. We're gonna be doing some serious painting coming up really soon. You ready to do this? Let's put those flowers down while you're climbing, okay?
Going inside, but they're mine. They're ours. I'm keeping them.
Let's get a shot here of the deck. Okay. Here we go. From the front. Looking back here. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go down inside. Hey guys.
Hey, I got my flowers.
Going down in.
Oh,
Scout found the bell.
so loud.
We got a quarter berth on this side. We got a quarter berth on this side.
Oh,
We got a little 12 horsepower diesel engine down there. Everything looks like disheveled. Here's the galley. We got some big plans for that. Here's the head right here. Little sink. Big plans for that. Here's the V berth with all kinds of sails and just a bunch of stuff in there. That's crazy. Here's our light coming in. Love that little mirror. Look at this little mirror right here. Love that thing. So much stuff is going to come out of here. Little table here. Insulation. That's going to be coming out of there. Look at this thing. Goodness gracious. So much cool stuff. Oh, can't wait to dig into this place. I'm going to show you really quick. I'm just pressure washing the deck here. You can see, like right here, the difference. Everything's coming off pretty good. But this teak, look how gray, and then this right here. Wash down number one. It'll probably take a couple of these to get this thing cleaned up. It's a pretty big mess.
Yeah, and then the refrigerator that Dustin picked out is a dream.
Okay. Len's made it over. That's his here.
Oh my gosh.
And we're casting the vision.
Casting
so
vision.
She's getting a tour of things before they're anything to talk about.
This is so
It's
fun.
the substance of things hoped for.
That's right. Like, look at this. It's like nasty. Look at this, like water on the floor. We got boots on. We got like, it's just wires hanging down. It's gonna be amazing.
We're doing it.
Pre-amazing.
We're doing it.
And then look at this girl.
Amazing.
All right. What I did was I took the headliner out, so I removed all these strips across there and took the headliner out, which was pretty quick to do. And I started taking off one of the handrails off the top, these teak handrails. And so I pulled, like, there's these screws, and then screw. The thing I found though is that 2 of the screws, or maybe one of them, is underneath the glass for the bulkhead. See, there's 2 there. The other one is glassed in. And I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do about that. Because I want to seal those. I want to seal them back, and I want to sand them up a little bit and put some oil on them. I may just clean up what I can, leave them in place, seal up what I can. A little afraid of water getting into that bulkhead if it's not sealed up good, but something I'll have to worry about later. Got a little water in here from pressure washing yesterday. Gonna get a little bit more in here from pressure washing today. Dad was gonna do a little sanding over here. A little test sanding. See how this looks. So we're gonna look at this and try to get it down to the gel coat. Got our Bosch beast right here. So that's 80 grit, and it took a lot. And it took a lot of paper too. See that right there? My friend Bill said the best thing to do would be to use 60 grit, then come back with 80 grit. Right. So we just decided we'd drain this diesel. The cap was super frustrating to get off. It's got this, look at that, it's got that thing going. Woo. Gotta get a key for that. It is really full. Yeah, we don't want to use that fuel. That's probably the nasty. The marina gave me, look at that big tank down there. That's a sweet tank. It's been about an hour. We are 12 gallons. I think this is probably, oh, here we go, 15 US gallons. Still filling up. We got the decal off the back of the boat. We're gonna rename the boat. We'll get to that later. We got 15 gallons of diesel out of it. We got the top washed down real good. We'll wash it down again later. A little bit of time. All right, so we're here at the boat right now. Look at this. There's Joe, Bear Boy.
Can I show him my hair?
Bear got, look at this. Got his hair cut. Let's look. Okay, so we brought a battery down. We hooked up the battery. This is a Fairman 30A. It's been sitting here for 5 years. I left the key at home, which is classic move. And I know nothing about diesel engines. My brother does. I don't. We just figured out how to hotwire this thing. It just fired up. And then I realized I didn't know how to shut it off. But then I figured out how to shut it off. We're gonna fire it up one more time so you can see it.